he will tell us and guide us today regarding meditation. Sir, please continue. Fatima, सर को कराएं होस्ट.
Wonderful. Rohini ji, Renu.
Thank
Yes, ma Mamta ji, very nice. Great. Okay, shall we start? Rohini?
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Right, wonderful. Great. Today is a great day indeed.
Excuse me, sir, I am not able to pin your video.
Yes. Wonderful. Today is a great day. We are starting blissful smile meditation. The purpose of this platform is to understand that we're all blissful beings. And today we are going to start the session. All of you keep your hands like this. All of you keep your hands. Those who have hands, keep your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I say 5, you should clap. Okay? Right. When should you? When I say 5. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why you all clapped for 4? I said okay. That means you are not having awareness. So awareness is the key for enjoyment. So when you have awareness, you can multiply your enjoyment. Awareness of the body, awareness of your thoughts, your emotions, and awareness on yourself is very much essential. Okay, all of you do like this. All of you do like this. Yes, wonderful. Yes, move your hands apart and bring them close. Yes, move them apart and bring them close. Visualize your loved one whom you like very much in your life between your two palms. It may be object or it may be some person or some issue. Keep it and feel it. As you are doing so, you are energizing your loved person or event. Just do this with closed eyes. Keep on doing it. As you are doing, sanitizing it. You are improving slowly, slowly do it. Don't do fast. Do it very slow. And observe what's happening between your two palms. Happening. You can say loudly.
सर एक एनर्जी का between our hands कुछ एनर्जी का मूवमेंट फील हो रहा है.
There is a field of energy actually, which is like if you're trying to bring the hand closer, it is something like that.
Keep some wish.
Energy ball.
It may be regarding your health, or it may be about your success, career. Just feel it. It's flowing between. You keep the thought or wish of fulfillment between your two palms and feel that you are energizing your wish. As you are doing so, just with a smile, closed eyes, observe your wish, or it may be your loved ones, spouse, kids, or you want to wish your something else. So do it and keep both hands in Namaskaram position at your chest. Closed eyes. With closed eyes, observe your normal breath. How it is going in and coming out. Have a smile on the face. Don't have income tax paying face. As you are observing the breath, the smile on your face is increasing. Filling all your face, eyes, cheeks, whole face and head. Smiling. Filling your neck, throat, and whole body. You are spreading these smiles as you are observing the breath. Every cell of you is smiling. In Namaskaram positions at heart, you are spreading the smiles into every cell of you. Your breath is helping you to spread these smiles, filling every cell, every organ. And you can feel the energy, smiles, filling your room, your family, whole your city. You are radiating these smiles. Be a witness to your smiles. Spreading smiles. As you are witnessing your breath, the smiles are spreading. Filling whole of your room, family, your state, and filling whole nation. The breath is becoming very, very lighter, soft, natural, easy, spreading whole globe. These smiles. Be in that state of spreading, radiating, soulful smiles. Smile is your outer expression. Bliss is your true nature. Breath is the bridge. The smiles you are radiating, filling every cell of you. The breath is catalyzing, helping to go into deeper states of yourself, your being. Just be a witness to your own radiating blissful smiles. Wonderful. Now slowly lower your eyes. As I count 1 to 5, Slowly, slowly. Open your eyes. 2, 3. Yes, 4, 5. With smiley face, slowly, slowly open your eyes. Wonderful. Claps to everyone. Very good. Claps to everyone. Excellent. Yes. Very good. All of you, keep your fingers like this. Keep your fingers. Keep your fingers, all of you. Yes. Rotate this forward. Right one. Rotate this forward. And left one backwards. Left one backwards. Left hand backwards. Left hand. Left hand. This one forward. This one backward. Do it simultaneously. Do it simultaneously. Try it. Can you do it simultaneously?
No, sir.
Is it happening?
It's
Can you
difficult.
do it?
It's
No, sir.
difficult.
This is to the front and this to back.
No, sir.
It's a difficult one.
No, sir.
Mute that lady. She is speaking in between.
Yeah, I'm trying to mute, but not able to mute her.
Tell her
Mamta.
by name.
Mamta.
Okay. Mamta ji,
ममता अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर.
mute कर लो.
ममता.
अभी आवाज नहीं आ
Okay,
रही.
right. Okay. Why you are unable to do it simultaneously? This is to the front and this is to the back. Try it.
Because mine works that way. Synchronizing.
Because
both
two things cannot be done simultaneously. In the same way, mind also cannot do two things simultaneously. Right?
Right.
So, we all know mind mastery is life mastery. What is the location of the mind? Where is it situated? कहाँ रहते हैं mind? मन.
फिर पूरे
Where
शरीर
is
में
it?
Each
अपने
and every
Is
emotions
it in the brain or heart?
in heart,
Is it in the brain or heart?
in heart.
You say it is in the heart. Okay,
Yeah.
I think you frequently watch love movies. We think that mind is located in the heart.
Brain.
It is not there. As a surgeon,
In each
as a
and
surgeon,
every cell.
every
In
cell.
oh, you say it is situated in each and every cell. That means you are going to become politician or a spiritual guru.
No, sir, no.
All are equal. All are equal. Everything is same. Oneness. People usually, the politicians and spiritual gurus say like that. No, no, no. Because if you locate, if you know where the mind is, you can catch hold of it so that you can master it. So life mastery is nothing but it depends on mind mastery. So where is it located? As she said, it is not there in the heart. Why? Because as a surgeon, we operated on the heart. It is not there. Where is it located?
Mind.
Next location.
In our emotions.
Mind and emotions both are different. Okay? But you try to guess it, but it is not the correct answer. Where is it located? Somebody said it is there in every cell. No. Brahmachari, I think, is saying that it is in the brain. Where is it? What is the location? Location of the brain. Where is it located? Why am I asking this simple question?
The apex of
Because
the body.
some people have brain in knee, elbow, feet. It is not there because we operated at all levels. Knee, elbow, even skull. So today I want to show you the location of the mind because the topic chosen is smile breath meditation. Okay. All of you close your nose. Close your nose, not others' nose. You have to catch hold of your nose. Yes, very good. Be like that. I'll count 1 to 10. The function of the mind is to produce the thoughts. Yes, hold the breath. 1, 2, 3. let us check about your thoughts. Yes, don't remove your fingers. Be like that. Next day it will come in the paper, newspaper. Dr. Hari took everybody's life while they are doing Zoom session. Okay. What is the thought you got during this holding of your nose? Which thought?
No thought.
Only one
No
thought is
thought.
there.
No thought.
No thought.
No thought.
Yes,
No
no
thought.
thought.
No thought.
From this, you had to only one thought has come. If I won't remove, I may die. From this, you have to understand breath and mind are interlinked. Okay. So, what is your experience when you have done this? Okay. This procedure and observation of the breath, spreading of the smiles. How many of you felt good? Raise your hands. With closed eyes, you have done. Yes, you can share your experience. Initially, Rohini Singh, describe. How was your feeling?
जब हमने नोज को बंद किया,
बताइए.
हाँ, जब नोज को बंद किया तब एकदम थॉटलेस वाली
ये नहीं.
स्टेट थी.
This is not. This is doing this hand exercise and
हाँ,
keeping the hands here
हाँ.
and spreading the smiles. How was your feeling?
उस वक्त ना जैसे कुछ एक एनर्जी का एक्सचेंज जो है वो एक्सपैंड हो रहा था. कुछ समथिंग इज एक्सपैंडिंग इन माय बॉडी, इन माय माइंड. और
Wonderful, wonderful.
एक हैप्पीनेस की
आप
फीलिंग.
हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ जी सर,
You can also speak in Hindi.
हैप्पीनेस की फीलिंग थी कि हाँ कुछ है जो एक्सपैंड होता जा रहा है.
Excellent, excellent. Okay. So in this platform, this is the main motto of this platform, this Zoom sessions. See, there is nothing to acquire. There is nothing to gain. It is only to share. While sharing, you'll experience how much abundance, how much joy we have, how much totality we have. So this platform is mainly to spread the light and the abundance, whatever we have. Okay. So nice. Next, Fatima Sheikh. How you felt, ma? What was your feeling when you are doing this and spreading the smiles?
I feel again the vibrations and some pinkish and very like pinkish and silver color mixed light was all over there on my body.
Very good, very good. Bhavana Mishra. Claps too. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Next, Fatima Sheikh. Bhavana Mishra.
Yeah.
Bataiye ma.
Actually, if you
How was
ask
your
me very-
feeling?
No, if you ask me very frankly, I didn't feel anything.
Keep your mic near to you
Yeah. Can you hear me
and
now?
describe.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
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 I said
I can
didn't,
hear.
Yeah, I didn't feel anything. I think it's like jugglers doing a practice. It's like that. You do the practice, you tame your brain, and then you do it and carry on. That's what I felt.
Wonderful, wonderful, excellent. So now coming to and Renu, describe ma. How was your feeling?
यस सर, जब हैंड को लेके आई थी तो एक एनर्जी बॉल थी व्हाइट कलर की, व्हाइट एंड येलो एनर्जी फुल ऑफ. और जब स्माइल स्प्रेड किया था, जैसे मेरे साथ पहले हुआ था कि जब स्माइल स्प्रेड करती हूँ तो रोजेस और फ्लावर्स खिलने लगते हैं, कलरफुल हर जगह स्प्रेड होते हैं. तो
Yes,
सेम
yes,
फीलिंग.
wonderful. So it is spreading.
Yeah.
This is what we call sharing. When you share your joy, your happiness, you
Yes.
can realize, you can understand how much grateful you are. Okay, let us do very simple exercise. This is keep your fingers like this. Keep your fingers. Now what you have to do is 4 times short breaths. That is next one is, 5th one is long breathing. When you are doing long breathing, 4 times short breaths, 5th long breath. This is one cycle. Like that we are going to do. After that, we have to do long breathings 10 to 15 times, followed by simple observation of the breath out. There is no force. Automatic breathing, you have to observe. Normal breathing, you have to witness. Okay? Initially, fifth long breaths. After that, only long breathings, followed by simple observational breath. Only 3 steps we are going to do, because today the topic is smile breath awareness meditation, which is called Ananda Vipashyati. That means with Ananda. Initially, we are going to look at breath. Later, we are going to see, yes, anything, ma? Fatima?
Yes, sir, please repeat the technique because voice was not clear that time. How to do? 4 times
My
short
voice
and
is
1.
okay. Okay. First, listen. Right. So, you are going to observe the breath initially. Later, you will observe your pains. You will observe your pain. For example, pain in the shoulder or pain in the neck or some uneasiness in the stomach. You are going to fill the disturbance or disease with smiles. Okay? With smiles. Later, even your thoughts, if they are coming, you are going to see the thoughts with smiles. Okay? Everything you are going to spread the smiles. Okay? Let us start. Yes. With closed eyes, or you look at me, and keep your hands like this. Yes. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Start. Yes. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. For your own health, for your own happiness and joy. 4 times. Bhavana Mishra, you are doing very well. Fatima Sheikh, doing very, very good. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Nagini, very nice. Renu, doing very well. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Breath mastery is life mastery. Fifth one is long breath. Breath is the bridge between outer and inner worlds. Very, very good. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. As you are doing so, you are perceiving the energy, tingling and numbness in the hands, in the fingers, in the face. Very good. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. As you are doing so, your body is becoming very, very light, very, very vibratory. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. All the dormant cells which are inactive are becoming awakened. Wonderful. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. This sound must be audible. Yes, Bhavana, you are doing very well, ma. Nagini, Renu, excellent, doing very well. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Fatima Sheikh, Rohini, excellent, doing very well. As you are doing so, very, very energetic, more lovely, enthusiastic, more glowing. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Have smile on your face. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. 4-1 is 1 cycle. We all know making the mind empty is the purpose of doing meditation. Meditation is not focusing on something else. Meditation is not contemplation or prayer. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths, for your own health, for your own happiness and joy. Very, very good. Very, very nice. Fantastic. Fantabulous. Are you recording? Yes, wonderful. Doing very well. How are you feeling, Rohini ji? Fatima. Yes.
सर
All
जैसे
of you can
साइलेंस,
unmute yourself.
सर साइलेंस की तरफ जैसे जा रहे होते हैं कि मैं बोलूं ही नहीं.
Very nice. Ma. Continue. Continue. Fatima, how are you feeling, ma? Renu. Bhavana Mishra.
Deeply meditation mind in the light effect, white and yellow.
Yes, yes. Continue, continue. Yes, continue. Bhavana, how are you feeling, ma? Excellent. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Renu, describe. How are you feeling?
सर व्हाइट लाइट फील हो रहा है एकदम और रोशनी रोशनी हो रही है.
Excellent, excellent. Continue, continue. Very, very good. Very nice. Sudha Jain also joined. She is first Asia runner-up, Mrs. India 2017. Yes, welcome to the program. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Very, very nice. Let us do 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. This is not information platform. This is transformation platform.
सर बाय डूइंग
Even
दिस,
independence has come with the help of one person under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Same thing, it is not the number. It is how greatly we are going to influence our life. Let us 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Yogaha karmasu kaushalam. Yogastaha kuru karmani. Continue. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. For your own health, for your own happiness and joy. Very, very good. Wonderful, Sudhaji, you are here with closed eyes. Let us do. This meditation is for global peace. If you are at peace, you can radiate the peace. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Yes, very, very good. 4 times short breaths, 5th long breaths. Breath connects body, mind, and soul. With each breath, now take only long breaths. Nose to navel breathing. Initially, you did 21 cycles of 4:1 breathing. How are you feeling? All of you can say one by one.
सर जैसे हेडेक हो रहा है लेफ्ट साइड पे.
Yes, very good. Wonderful. Next.
Heaviness in the head, actually, top reason of the head.
Excellent. Right.
Numbness in the face.
Numbness. Yes, very good.
It's
These are all the stored emotions in your body. You are going to understand. Yes. Now take long breathings. Breathe into your pain or uneasiness or numbness, or simply breathe into the body with smile, having smile on the face. Long breathings, total breathings. You will understand. You will realize what exactly you are doing this breathing. If you have pain in the left side of your head, that means your feminine self, you are hindering. You are not enjoying your femininity, female self. If you have numbness in the legs, that means it. It may be relationship, or it may be work, or it may be family. So body will speak about what you are while this conscious connected breathings. Take long breathings, no gap between. If you are feeling restless, that means you are not stabilized in your life. This is the indication. You have to understand. Meditation is a process of self-realization. We always live according to others' expectations, others' conditioning, but we have to be ourselves. Yes, long breathings for long life. nose to navel breathing. While doing so, the belly has to fill during each inspiration. Very nice. Not only chest breathing, chest, abdomen, everything has to move while you are breathing. Very, very good. Have smile on the face. The smile is increasing with each long breathing. Every cell in your body is breathing. You are breathing into the discomfort or pain or numbness. Yes, wonderful. How are you feeling? Each one can describe without opening the eyes. Keep your phones unmuted. Yes.
पहले लग रहा था heaviness और अब फिर light लग रहा है chest में.
Yes.
Very blissful.
All ladies are very, very powerful beings, energy beings. But there are so many suppressions. So many. Why I am not enjoying my life with freedom, with all the limitations, suppressions. These are initial pains. Later on, you can experience the bliss. You are basically blissful being, all females. When men respects the female, this bliss will flow. They are not only beautiful, but also blissful beings. Yes, continue. Next.
Total body
Fatima
weight.
Sheikh. How are you feeling, ma?
I am feeling very good, but there is a pain, still pain in my back.
Yes. Pain in the back indicates some insecurity problem. If it is in the upper neck, it indicates you are holding total responsibility. If you are feeling lower backache, financial instability, middle back pain indicates your loved ones are hurting. So body has its own meaning. So breathe into those pains, uneasiness. Very good. Rohini Singh, how are you feeling?
सर जैसे पेन अब लेफ्ट से मूव करके फ्रंट टॉप ऑफ द हेड की तरफ शिफ्ट हो रहा है एंड
Yes,
आई
yes.
वांट टू वॉमिट जैसे मैं कुछ वॉमिट कर दूं.
Yes, yes. That vomiting sensation is nothing but you are holding unnecessary things which you are engulfed. No problem. Breathe into that. Some people will have that vomiting sensation and it will come out.
I'm feeling a heaviness in the just neck, just below the neck actually, and the basically not on the shoulder, but just below the neck actually, where it meets the trunk.
Wonderful, wonderful. Sudhaji, without opening the eyes, how are you feeling?
Very relaxed.
Very relaxed. Wonderful. Excellent. Yes. Take long breathings.
So can you explain
Now-
that why there is a pain in the where neck and trunk are meeting at that point?
Now take normal breathing now. Normal, natural breathing. And have smile on the face. And look at your sensations with smile. If no sensations are there, look your breath with smile. Or if any sensation or pain, uneasiness, look with smile. As you are doing so, you are radiating these smiles all around the body, into every cell, every sensation. You are filling with smiles. Be there as a witnesser of your breath, witnesser of your sensations, witnesser of your thoughts. You are just a witnesser with smile, wise smile. Be there. Yes, fill the area of numbness or pain with smiles. As you are filling with smiles, you can see the pains, numbness, everything mitigating, going away. And you can create the smiles and bliss there. Just be a
Numbness in the right hand and vibration
spreader of
above.
your smiles. Just be doing. The pain, uneasiness indicates that you are holding all these days, knowingly or unknowingly. Just spread the smiles in those areas. As you are spreading, the smiles are increasing. All the cells, all the parts in your body. You can also observe the shifting of distress or pain, uneasiness. Fill that area with smiles. Smile is your weapon to create the bliss. Smile is from the body. Bliss is from the soul. The bridge is the breath. It is a journey into your being. Be there for another 2 to 3 minutes. Spreading the smiles. Filling every area, every system. And you are spreading these smiles into the pain or uneasiness you are holding since many years in the form of the disease. Pain or suffering. Fill that area with smiles. Consciously, you are spreading the smiles into every part, especially the sensations, pains, as they are getting filled by the smiles. Whole thing is becoming smiley, blissful. Be an observer of bliss. Much deeper. Deeper states of your being. And you are spreading through these sensations, through this pain, these smiles into the surroundings. They are the gateways, demanding the bliss to flow, the smiles to flow. Spreading the smiles all over the body, every cell, and you are radiating the smiles into the surroundings, filling your room, filling the place around. Yes, filling the city, state, whole nation. You are spreading these smiles. You can feel all the states, nations, whole globe is smiling because of you. Spreading these smiles. Spreading these smiles. Yes, growing toward the sky. You are touching the sky. Going beyond the sky. Touching the stars, planets. Yes, whole cosmos. All the galaxies. You are spreading these smiles. With infinite joy, peace, love, light, you are spreading. A witnesser of your spreading smiles. The slow breathing is again spreading this bliss everywhere, radiating the smiles. Be in that state. From this state, observe your body. How beautiful it is. How glowing it is. Bless your body from this expanded consciousness. This is the place where you live. This is your real estate. Shower the love. Take all that energy, consciousness, and enter from the top of your head like a light. Enter the top of the through the top of your head, filling your crown chakra above the head. All the energy consciousness is flowing once again into the body, filling your crown chakra. It's glowing. And filling your third eye chakra in the forehead. It is glowing, full of energy, divinity, radiance. You can feel the energy flowing into your Vishuddha chakra. Your communication is lovely, expressive, and flowing along the spine. Heart chakra, middle of the chest, it is glowing with unconditional love, power, the love light spreading, filling your heart chakra, into your Manipura above navel, Manipura chakra, it is glowing, flowing down below the navel, your second chakra, Swadhisthana, it's glowing with full of energy. Feel your Swadhisthana, all the petals, all the dormant energy, it's blossoming below navel and flowing down tip of the spine, base chakra, of survival, it's blossoming. All the chakras, you see, Mooladhara glowing, Swadhisthana vibrating, yes, Manipura above navel blossoming, Anahata flowering, Vishuddhi radiating, scintillating, yes, third eye, what a wonderful experience, wonderful colors of your energy, rainbow colors, yes, Sahasrara, there is a wonderful cocoon of energy, a protection. You are just with yourself, imbibing the energy, floating in this energy. So much of power, so much of joy, light, you are in the divine guidance. You are totally guided every moment. You are totally aligned. Wonderful energy. The consciousness, wisdom is flowing of you. Your DNA, the divine DNA, unfolding. Every cell is glowing, totally aligned to your higher self, higher energies, radiating, scintillating, vibrating energies. Yes, with all these things, be a witnesser of your breath once again. Come to the body, sensations, breaths, and keep palms over your eyes whenever you are ready. Slowly, slowly open your eyes whenever you are ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, yes. 1, 0. Very good. Claps, claps to all of you. Claps, claps to all of you. Yes, Renu. How was your experience, Ma? Welcome to Sudha Jain once again. Yeah, claps to Sudha Jain. Okay. She is
Sorry.
our beauty and fashion, beauty and fashion segment of our blissful doctors are how to beautify your soul, how to lead very fashionable life with scientific spirituality. She is the head of the wing. Claps to her. And she is going to revolutionize. Already she is a global master with all the mudras, some of the spirituality, and giving motivation for all the women. Especially, she is a very wonderful animal lover. Okay, and all the how to lead very wonderful life. She is going to lead all the elite public, especially in the modeling world and fashion world. So claps to her. And yes, Amata. Yeah, describe ma. Now who is on the screen? Her name is not yes, Renu. Describe
Yeah.
what is your experience?
Yes, sir. It's amazing experience. पहले heaviness था जब long and short jet था. Then उसके बाद full of smile. Then जब आपने बोला था कि ऊपर universe का the purple and the pink lights. It's amazing flow my crown chakra to our whole body. It's amazing feeling. और उसके बाद तो मैं यहाँ थी नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता. और
Excellent. Very
ये
nice.
मेरी
This is
body
the
में
way
बहुत
how we
ज्यादा
have to express. Yes, sir. So when you are expressing, then what happens? Whatever the lacunae you have, whatever the deficits you have, all are going to be fulfilled. For example, you experienced 60%. When you write your experience or when you share, it becomes 70 to 80%. If you won't share, it goes to 40%. That's why always share. See, we are divine beings. But why this beautiful body is there? Because you have to express your divinity through this body. Otherwise, there is no use. Okay? That's why we should always involve ourselves in spreading our joy. Yes, wonderful. Poonam Jain. Very nice. Excellent. Yes, ma. Fatima
Yeah.
Sheikh, what is your experience? Share it. After this, our Sudha Jain will speak. Yes. Fatima Sheikh, what is your experience? Describe, ma.
The pain was there as I have explained you, but after some time it all, as you told, ki
All
aap
went,
smile se do,
all has
went.
gone.
Yeah, all
Okay.
has gone.
That means you are holding it. If you do long breathings, this pain will increase and go. For example, you have pain in the nose, burning pain. That indicates that, see, nose is life, no? The breath is life. That means you have very irritation with your life. Your own people, your life is painful. So how to get out of you? So when you breathe into your pain, you can resolve pain in your life. So always you say, my husband is paining me, or my money, those who have taken, they are not returning me. So it is very, very painful to me. So if you correct the pain here, you
It
can
will
correct
Exactly.
pain outside. That means changing yourself can change the life outside. Okay? Understood?
Yeah.
This is your total experience, ma. Fatima ji, कैसे लगा?
मैंने बताया सर अभी.
Very
अच्छा
nice.
लगा.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. कैसे लगा when you are spreading the smiles and when you are filling the smiles into the painting, into all over the cosmos? कैसे लगा आपको? And the energy flowing through all the chakras. बताइए.
हर एक जगह पर वाइब्रेशंस फील हो ही रही थी जैसा आप बता रहे थे सिमिलरली. एंड जब मैंने अपने आप को पूरे ब्रह्मांड में पाया कि आई एम सो एनलार्ज, इतनी बड़ी हूँ मैं, और फिर वहां से मैंने अपने आप को ब्लेसिंग दी, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि अभी तक मैंने अपने आप पे बहुत ज्यादा अन्याय किया है, एंड पहली बार मैं अपने आप को भी ब्लेस कर रही हूँ. इट वाज अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस.
Yes, wonderful. Most of the time, we always curse ourselves. Why we have chosen this body? Why this spouse? Why these children? Why all these things? When you grow, you can bless. You can bless your body, your life situations. Very good, wonderful. Next, Poonam, not Poonam Jain, and Rohini Singh. What's her experience?
Sir, एक्सपीरियंस जब अपने आप को हम एक्सपैंड कर रहे थे, तब हमने ये देखा कि हमने अपनी बॉडी के साथ में कितना इल ट्रीट करते हैं हम।
Correct.
तो वो एक रियलाइजेशन
Usually we will treat, we'll feel we are finite beings, but we are basically infinite beings. We are eternal beings. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That too, woman body is mainly to it can easily perceive. Man is dependent on woman because man has to learn from the woman. Okay, but it is reverse now. Always men are considered great, but women has to realize that they're all infinite beings, infinite energy. Prakriti Mata. Yes. Next, what happened?
उसके बाद से जब वापस जब अंदर एंटर करा एंड चक्रास पे आए, तो मुझे अपना अपर पोर्शन अलग और लेग्स वाला पोर्शन अलग फील हुआ कि जैसे मेरे
That is that.
लेग्स
Having
में
fresh
जैसे
life.
हाँ, जैसे मेरे लेग्स में इतनी पावर नहीं है कि वो होल्ड कर पाए मेरी अभी की कंडीशन को, जो उस मेडिटेशन में मुझे
Very good.
हाँ फीलिंग हुआ।
Excellent, excellent. Very good. Now, Sudha Jain ji is with us. Sudha Jain is with us.
Hello,
Wonderful.
everyone.
Share your experience, Sudha ji. कैसे लगा आपको?
जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं फातिमा जी से कहना चाहूंगी कि बहुत ही सही तरीके से उन्होंने अपनी बॉडी को समझा है। अभी जो डॉक्टर हरी ने जो थोड़ा सा वक्त आपके साथ जो दिया है, अपने आप को अपनी बॉडी के साथ में, आपने बहुत बखूबी उस चीज को समझा है एक्चुअली। तो आपने जो फील किया है, जो एक्सपीरियंस किया है ना, उसको किताबों में और अपने तरीके से समझने में सालों बीत जाते हैं। जो डॉक्टर हरी ने अभी जो एक 20 मिनट्स के अंदर में जो आपको अपनी बॉडी के बारे में बताया और आप उसे उतने अच्छे से समझ पाए फातिमा जी, वो सही बता रही हूँ, उसको समझने के लिए सालों लग जाते हैं। तो ये चीज को आप होल्ड कर लीजिए, जस्ट होल्ड इट, दैट थिंग विच यू अंडरस्टैंड टुडे एंड प्रोसीड योर लाइफ विद दैट थॉट। और जहां भी आपको लगे कि ये थॉट पीछे जा रहा है, डॉक्टर हरी को फिर से ट्रबल दीजिए। मुझे थोड़ी मजाक करने की आदत है और डॉक्टर हरी की लेग पुलिंग करने की तो बहुत ज्यादा आदत है। एक्चुअली वो मेरे मेंटोर है और गुरु शिष्य जैसा हमारा रिश्ता किताबों में है, बट मैं उन्हें अडोर करती हूँ, उनकी बातों को मैं फॉलो करती हूँ। पर जब भी हमारी इस तरह की कुछ कन्वर्जेशन होती है और हम एक फ्रेम पे होते हैं, तो मैं कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ती कि मैं उनकी टांग खींचूं। डॉक्टर हरी, सॉरी।
Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Good, good, good. You have right to you always speak from the soul. Wonderful, excellent. So
I want to explain
so
that
far we learned.
Yeah.
Batai. Yes, continue.
Yeah, what I feel actually when this session is going on, for a few like for a 10 minutes, I'm just thinking about that ki I'm lost, like nothing is there for at least for a, I think 20 or 30 breath. I'm feeling that ki nothing is there, everything is like सब खाली खाली है। उसके बाद में I just noticed when we went to that navel के ऊपर वाले चक्रा पे, I just noticed that ki there's a lot of spring water is moving, lot of light is there, lot of greenery is there, and I'm just sitting in the middle of that and noticing everything, feeling so high, feeling very happy. This kind of feeling is coming up when just जब ये session चल रहा था. But one thing what I noticed is that कि जब हम वापिस अपने body की तरफ आए, so I noticed that ki I'm not liking this thing, that ki I don't want to come back with that feeling, that you know, that greenery, light and everything. So I think मुझे भी बहुत सारे सेशंस की जरूरत है जिस तरीके से आप लोगों को है, तो ये मेरा
wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now another 15 minutes is there. In this time we are going to see our future, how our children are going to settle, what all the great things we are going to do in the future, and how we are going to leave this body after fulfilling all our future. Once you see your future, what happens? You can bring that future into present moment so that you can work very vigorously. See, people, the leaders will have the vision and mission. What is the difference between normal person and a leader? Leader will have a vision so that he will go according to his mission. In the same way, Now I'm going to, for example, Sudha Jain, she is 30.
I'm not able to hear you.
She can bring that 40 years of wisdom to present now, so that she can do the best one. That is the beauty of it. For example, now the corona, there is some bias, confusion is there. So if you see how you are going to cross and enter into the Satya Yuga, the best world, where you can see your grown-up kids, married kids, and their kids. Are you interested to look into that future? How many of you are ready to look into your kids' future? And for example, now she is 2017 Mrs. Asia Pacific. Now she is see she has created her mark, especially in the model world and in the fashion. But once she looks into her future, once she perceives the best things, she can bring it now, so that she can see everything, not after 10 years, but she is ready to create the momentum, so that she can manifest everything in near future. So that energy will come. How many of you are interested to know? For example, Rohini ji is there. Her daughter is a painter. She stopped her education at the age of the 12th standard. Now she is totally aligned to the nature, doing so much of wonders. If you see what all the best things you are going to do, see, always we think that, yes, we have to take care of the family or kids. No, you are basically a global woman. Even sitting at your home, you can radiate the energy. You can fulfill you can do wonderful manifestation. How many of you are ready to experience your future? How your children are going to settle? And you are going to...
all of us. I think all of us want to see that.
You will see now you are in 30s, 40s, but you will see you are regressing age-wise. You are becoming more young. If you see, oh, I'm not going to become old, so I'm going to become more youthful, more dynamic. So I'll become more lively. So like that, you can perceive it, right? And you can also meet your guide or some guru or your God, and you can also talk to them. How many of you are ready?
We all are ready.
Yes, yes.
हम लोग पैर ऊपर उठा नहीं सकते हैं तो चाचा बोलते
Okay. Let us do. Okay. Yes. Wonderful. Let us do, because it is a mostly practical experience, and we can also see so much of wisdom in Sudha Jain's session too, because everybody are interested in beauty. How many of you are interested to improve your beauty?
All women want to. All women want to do that.
मैं तो उनकी साड़ी को एडमायर ही करते जा रही हूँ.
Thank you.
हमें बोलने वाली चीज डिजाइन बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन
now all of you appreciate Sudha Jain. See, when heart attacks will be less. So just looking at her words and how she Sudha, you are looking very, very beautiful. I said.
Oh,
your presence is very, very good.
So
I
much,
did too. I did too. Now, all of you, Fatima Sheikh, appreciate her. Let us see, one by one.
आपको देखकर तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि शायद अप्सराएं अगर होंगी स्वर्ग में मेनका रंभा तो ऐसी ही होंगी.
Wonderful, but excellent, excellent. Whatever you appreciate, you to have those qualities. See, without having those qualities, you cannot appreciate others. Yes, Renu, appreciate Fatima. Appreciate Fatima.
Yeah, ma'am, your smile so blissful and it's amazing. मतलब कोई भी आपको देख के रोता हुआ भी हंस जाएगा. It's amazing.
Chubby, bubbly.
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent. Now, Rohini, you appreciate Renu.
रेनू बहुत दिल से बोल रहे हो आप.
Rohini, you appreciate Renu.
रेनू, आप बहुत दिल से बोल रहे हो और ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे जो भी आप बोल रहे हो वो एकदम सच है, उसमें कोई झूठ नहीं है और मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मन कर रहा है तो हक करके किस करूं.
Ah.
Very good, very good. Wonderful, wonderful. Excellent, excellent. Now, Rohini, appreciate our Sudha Jain.
मैम की सुधा मैम को करना है. हेलो,
Yeah, we can hear.
सुधा मैम को करना है ना सर?
Appreciate करो.
हाँ जी मैम, आपकी साड़ी से ध्यान नहीं हट रहा है, वो इतना अपील कर रही है और आप उसमें कितना आपने उसको अच्छे से कैरी करा हुआ है, ये रियली मैं खुद एक दिन एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहती हूँ.
इसमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि साड़ी में है नारी की नारी में है
हाँ, नारी में है साड़ी.
Fatima सही है. Fatima is like on the top of all quick things.
हाँ.
हम जब भी अगर फ्यूचर में कभी मिले, ये सारी आपके लिए गिफ्ट है.
सर वो तो मैम वो तो मैंने
डिजाइनर ब्लाउज.
Wonderful. One more. Poonam Jain. You appreciate Rohini Jain, Rohini Singh.
Oh, Rohini, though I love her actually. The way she smiles, the way she talks, she's so cheerful. So from the heart, she always speaks, and she's my very good friend as well.
Good. So yes, when you appreciate yourself, when you appreciate others, your heart will become open. So you will live long, need everyone to appreciate. So stand in front of a mirror, daily appreciate yourself. So Dr. Hari, you are looking very, very great. You do surgery very well. You appreciate yourself. Now it is the turn for everyone to appreciate me one by one. One by one, you appreciate me. You observed me this 20 to 30 minutes. Now you appreciate. It is a chance for you. Whatever you appreciate, you will get that. You will get that back. Yes, one by one. Start.
Shall I start?
Yes, start.
Yes,
Start.
Okay. डॉक्टर हरी, सबसे पहले आपको देखते ही सामने वाले के चेहरे पे यहाँ तक की स्माइल आ जाती है, एकदम रुकती नहीं है. दूसरी बात डॉक्टर हरी, जब आप वॉच पहनते हैं वो भी मरून कलर का, सच बताती हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक बार और देखूं मैं आपको. और डॉक्टर हरी, जब आप बात करते हैं या आपका कॉल आ जाता है, क्योंकि आप बहुत ज्यादा बिजी रहते हो, कभी अचानक से अगर आपका कॉल आ गया और अगर आपकी आवाज कानों में अगर आ जाए और आप जो एक वर्ड बोलते हो ना अपनी डिक्शनरी से, वंडरफुल, सच में ऐसा लगता है कि यस आई एम वंडरफुल, ऐसी फीलिंग आती है, इतनी एनर्जी होती है, इतनी ऑरा होती है उसमें. और डॉक्टर हरी, एक और बात ये है कि आपका सबसे बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट ये है, आप हमेशा एक बिहाइंड में रहते हो और सामने वाले को मौका देते हो कि तुम अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करो. यू आर द बेस्ट एंड आई एम हियर इफ समथिंग इज गोइंग रॉन्ग और समथिंग, आई एम हियर. यू आर द बेस्ट, क्रिएट द वर्ल्ड. एंड सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे जो आपके बारे में और एक लगती है, there's a list is long list but I will tell a very small one. एक बात सबसे अच्छी मुझे जो और लगती है, you always says this thing that कि woman power and woman is the strongest personality in the universe and men should learn from that woman. This kind of thing, not only you speak but आप उसको अपनाते भी हैं. You are not only dictionary kind of thing. और जो भी आप कहते हैं वो आप करते हो, बोलते हो. So this is from my side, Dr. Hari.
Wow. All goes to you. Whatever appreciation you did, all, you are the best, you are the wonderful, all, you will get all those appreciation from everyone because you did to me. Claps to you. Rohini, you appreciate.
जो सुधा मैम ने बोला कि आप दूसरों को मौका देते हो, वो मैंने भी फील करा कल जब आपने ग्रुप में बोला था कि टेक इनिशिएटिव एंड गो अहेड. तो उससे ही वो पता चल रहा था कि आप औरों को मौका बहुत देते हो. एंड आज जब मेरी माधवी जी से बात हुई, आई थॉट यू आर बिटवीन 40 to 45, बट शी टोल्ड मी नहीं, आपकी एज ज्यादा है बट यू लुक सो यंगर. तो वो चीज बहुत एकदम से
Privilege, Rohini ji, shall I take a privilege?
Yes, please.
After 10 years, all of us will become more young. That is the beauty. After 10 years, we look more young. We thought that we had to look a little bit older because we want respect from the society. Now we decided we are going to regress our age. After 10 years, all will be very, very, very glowing. It will happen. Okay, right? Very good, wonderful.
Yes,
wonderful.
sir. ये तो
Yes.
ग्लो सर
Now,
कराना ही है आपने.
excellent, excellent. Now it's the time to see our future. Let us all of you relax for some time. Relax. The back rest. You can also lie down with closed eyes. Long breaths, only long breaths, nose to navel. 5 breaths. 5 breaths. Very good. When you are taking long breaths, you are focusing your attention below navel, 3 inches below, and 3 inches depth. Center of being, just 2 fingers below the navel, a point called your center of consciousness. Inhalation, filling of your abdomen. Exhalation into that center of your being below navel, which is the center point of your total height. If you are 5 feet, that points refers to 2.5. If you are 6 feet, it corresponds to 3. Your smile is improving with each breath. You are spreading. Yes, as you are doing so, you are receiving the energy from the Mother Earth, coming from the center of the earth, entering your body through the bottom of the feet, relaxing your feet, legs, calf muscles. The earth energy, divine mother energy, flowing from below, relaxing, filling your legs, thighs, pelvis. And you can feel the energy filling your abdomen, filling all the intestines, filling your chest, bust, shoulders. You can feel the energy filling your back, relax muscles, free flow of earth energy flowing in your body, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your arms, elbows, up to the tips of the fingers. Beautiful wave of energy. Mother energies are flowing, Mother Earth, filling your neck, throat, head, from head to toe, full of energies. Relaxing every organ. I count 1 to 5. This energy, soothing energy of the Mother Earth, and the power, the relaxation, becoming double with each count. 1. The energy and relaxation becoming twice, double with each count. 2. Full of energy, power, relaxation from head to toe. 4. Now Visualize in this relaxation. You are totally covered like a blanket in this earth energies, very safe around you. You can feel the water flowing sound, chirping of birds, cool breeze is touching you. A beautiful garden where there are beautiful flowers. Feel the colors of the flowers. What colors you see? You can say loudly.
White, red,
Purple.
Cool breeze is touching you.
Pink.
As you are describing, you are going into deeper states of relaxation. Cool breeze. You are relaxing in that beautiful garden, sanctuary. The grass touching your feet. Feel the ground while you are moving here and there. Race. Feel the chirping of birds. Water in the pipe. You are going into deeper states of relaxation. Yes, feel the water, warm or cool? Describe. Yes, very good. There is a bridge, small bridge, underflowing water underneath the bridge. With what type of material? The bridge is made up of wood,
Wood.
iron,
Wood.
rock or cement.
wood.
You are crossing the bridge. Yes, your breeze is touching you. Chirping of birds, smell flowers. Yes, 2, crossing the bridge. 3, once you cross the bridge, health-wise, wealth-wise, 10 times more powerful. You are crossing the bridge. 3, yes, you are going to feel yourself. You are going to see times more powerful. Healthy, wealthy, successful, beautiful. Chappals are shoes. Feel the dress. You are 10 times more powerful. Texture, color. Are appreciating you. Are you happy?
Yes.
Go to your house, which is more bigger than now. Standing in front of the house. See the color of the house. Yes, gate is open. Feel the color of the gate, the lawn. Yes, open the door. All your family members are welcoming you. Spacious rooms. Feel the warmth, love. Hug them. They're appreciating you for having wonderful health, wealth. Look into them, thank them. Look into your spacious house, your personal room. Relax in your personal room. So much of joy, so much of peace. With all the family members, spend time, have food with them. Different, delicious items. Feel them, taste them. Wonderful joy you are sharing. See four-wheeler, brand new. What is the color? Number plate. With your family, friends, you are traveling in that brand new. You are so happy. Now you are going to see your best future where you are totally settled. Yes, where your children grown up, settled, and you are also totally settled. 1, 2, yes, you are totally settled in the life. Look at your feet, the dress color, the place where you are. You're totally settled around you. The environment. Feel it through all senses. You're totally settled. Feel your age. How are you associated with? You're spending your successful life. Feel the place where you see your grown-up kids, settled kids. Look into their eyes. They're all working. Feel the company, organization where kids got settled. See the wealth. Go to your house, the place of settlement, your whole family celebrating a function. You see your settled grown-up kids, their spouses, call by names. Your kids are coming towards you, male or female. Hug them, call by name. All your family members, your kids, their kids, spouse. Yes, your daughter, in-laws, or your in-laws, you can feel around you. You're so happy. And they're sharing their experiences. Your care, which you have shown all these days, they are expressing gratitude. Feel it. Your family members, friends are attending a function. See all your family, extended family. You're on a stage. Telling about your success, sharing your success story from 2020 to that point. What all the things you achieved, how wealthy, how wise you are. Share it totally. Your success journey, all are applauding. Your charity, your service, your wealth, your achievements, awards. Yes, all are applauding. They're felicitating you. Among your family members, you are receiving the felicitation. Yes, you can see Dr. Hari there. All your mentors, you are receiving the felicitation. You are so happy. You are hugging all your family members, mentors, gurus, guides. Feel the joy. Some people are taking your autograph. And there is a big door in front of you. That door is attracting towards your God. Yes, moving towards the door. What is the color of the door?
White.
Once you open the door, full of light, you can see your God, Ishta Daiva. In that light, you can see your God. Wonderful eyes. From the wonderful eyes, you can feel the energy flowing to you. You can see your God there, touching your forehead, top of your head. Wonderful energy is flowing in your body, filling every cell. Grace, energy. God is removing your blocks, karma, throwing into the fireball aside. All karma is burnt in that fire of wisdom. You are hugging the God. And you are asking about your purpose of life. God is telling you why you met Dr. Hari, what you had to learn, how are you going to involve in the mission. He's showing wonderful activity, powerful activity, gracious activity. How are you doing along with the Dr. Hari? The God is showing the power you are imbibing, accelerating, amplifying. Feel it. And the connection from many lives with your gurus, Dr. Hari, and your fellow people. Take the blessings from the God. God is once again showing where your children getting settled, their marriages, spouses, and their kids, call by names, male or female. All family members are receiving the blessings in the presence of God. Dr. Hari, feel it. So much of power, so much of joy. Thank the God and take all the energy. Make a fist, two hands. This experience is yours. Whenever you make fist, all this experience will add on to you. Wherever you are, however you are. And slowly open the fist. Again, make the fist. Same energy is flowing into you. The God's energy. Empowering you. Yes, take the blessings and enter in this body like a light from the top of your head, saying thanks to the God, all that energy, all that experience, the future, success, whatever you have seen, the positivity, the divinity, you are bringing that energy into this body from the top of the head, flowing into every cell. You can feel the energy free flow from head to toe, filling all the chakras, all the 31 meridians. Yes, into every. You are connected to the ground. Be with your breaths. And slowly, slowly, normal state. Palms over your eyes, or otherwise. And slowly, slowly open your eyes. Sonu?
Hello.
सर अभी सेशन से मतलब आउट हो गए थे तो अभी वापस आ रहे हैं.
Yeah,
I think.
wonderful. Yeah, now it's the time to share the experience. Claps, claps to everyone. Yeah. Rohini, describe. How was your experience?
सर मुझे बर्ड्स की जगह बटरफ्लाईज बहुत फील हो रही थी.
Wonderful.
और जब आपने कहा कि घर में अंदर एंटर करो तो मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे मेरी मदर इज नो मोर. और अब सर अब कुछ अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है. अब बिल्कुल ऐसा है मैं ब्लैंक हूँ. मुझे
How is your future? Your kids' settlement?
हाँ सर वो सब
बताइए.
अच्छा सर अब अभी एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकती हूँ. मैं अभी शायद पूरी तरह से बाहर नहीं आई हूँ. मेरा
Okay. Now it's the time to Sudha Jain. Sudha Jain, describe. Sudha Jain,
Yeah. When you said this thing,
share your experience.
yeah, you just crossing that bridge. Okay. So everyone said that his bridge is looking like wood. I feel like it looked like a velvet, and then half of the bridge looking like a wood. But when I entered, it looked like a velvet, a kind of dark.
Wow, wonderful. It has
color.
meaning.
Yeah, that kind of feeling I'm getting on bridge.
Yes.
And after crossing half of the bridge, I'm feeling like a wood. And when I you said a big lawn. So all sunflower flowers are like full in my this big lawn, and 2 or 3 coconut trees. I don't know how come, either imaginary or what, I don't know. Middle of a sunflower
See, what
lawn
happens
is
is
like
when you, this is nothing but your mind. This is nothing but your mind. How beautiful your mind, so colorful and all the things. It indicates that you're not only outer beautiful, but also inner is beautiful. So everything is very, very significant. So what happened when you cross the bridge? I
Yeah,
said you are
after
10 times more powerful. Go to your house and how is that?
I just noticed that ki a big kind of a platform is there, and बहुत बड़ा lawn है जिसके ऊपर sunflower का बहुत बड़ा garden लगा हुआ है, और 2 sunflower के बीच में there is a 2 coconut trees, And
Wonderful.
yeah, and when I enter, like just I open door, it's like not like normally we open like this, right? It's not. I
Correct.
didn't. I remote control. I just use that remote control, and the door is open. I don't know. Like, door is
Wonderful.
open, and as soon as I open the door, there is a very big umbrella is there.
Ah,
Okay. Okay, and in that nearby that umbrella, 2 rabbit, 1 crocodile,
very good.
1
Wonderful.
tortoise, and very
Oh,
big
wonderful.
this. Uh, I don't know. Very big
Everything has
dining table.
meaning, I'll tell you.
Beautiful coffee.
Ah,
Lot of beautiful script going on. And suddenly, when you said that
excellent.
autograph, right? When people taking a lot of autograph,
Ah,
that I in my life I feel this thing, lot of photograph and cameras and this thing. This is my present life.
correct.
But when you
So,
said that photograph, I noticed that a big wardrobe is there and thousands
Ah.
of saris and materials are hanging there, thousands of, and I'm showing something to the people like that. I don't know how come it come into my mind. Rohini ji, this is because of you.
Very good. Excellent.
I
Excellent.
just noticed that, yeah, when you said that your loved one is hugging you and everything is that my childhood friend, that same face, same that one, and like hugging me, and I'm just enjoying.
Excellent.
Like
Excellent.
what you call a husband, a boyfriend, or whatever name you
the
can.
God.
Yeah,
Meeting.
God, like when I
How
just
is your
touch
kids'
that feet,
future? Ah,
they like settled one, and I'm just noticing he's gathering with 2-3 more small kids, but I don't know his kids or like what kind of kids. Like kids are there, small kids are there, little
wonderful.
younger one. And when I just you know, you said कि God आपके सर पे हाथ रख रहे हैं. As soon as I just bow my head, God ने मुझे middle में ही पकड़ लिया, and you know, it's like not like he said like this thing, and both the hand is here. I don't know what happening is this
Wonderful.
thing, but this thing.
Wonderful energy.
Yeah, and I'm feeling very you know, powerful that yes, I can say no to the things that
Wonderful
you know
feeling.
I can't. Because this is, I personally
Fatma,
feel as a nature that I very rarely say no. I can't. No is like I can't give you a no. I it's very difficult to say no for me actually.
Wonderful.
But I'm feeling that कि हम बहुत अच्छे से like you know, नहीं ये नहीं होगा, is kind of thing like.
Excellent. Excellent. And Renu, describe ma. Claps to Sudhaji.
Yeah.
Claps. Yeah, describe.
Yeah.
Very beautiful
sir,
expression.
या जब मैंने आपने जब बोला था वाटर, तो बिल्कुल फीलिंग आई, ठंडक भी आई. इट्स अमेजिंग फीलिंग जो वाटर के पास हमेशा आती है. एंड कलरफुल वाटर था. इट्स पिंक लाइट एंड येलो लाइट मिक्स. कोयल की आवाज थी, बहुत सारी कलरफुल बटरफ्लाईज थी, और जो ब्रिज था वो जैसे पहाड़ होता है ना, उसी टाइप का था. और जब मैंने उसको क्रॉस किया तो एज यूजुअल मुझे नाग देवता दिखे, और उसके बाद छोटे छोटे से बच्चे, कुछ बुद्धास ड्रेस जो मैरून कलर का होता है उसमें, और कुछ बच्चों के सर पे ना फ्लावर्स के क्राउन था. एंड मैंने भी एक वाइट कलर का गाउन पहना हुआ था और मेरे सर पे भी एक क्राउन था. देन जब हमने ब्रिज क्रॉस किया, नाग देवता हमारे साथ थे. देन हमने क्रॉस किया, वहां पे तो एक बहुत बड़ा गार्डन था जिसमें बीच में फाउंटेन था और एक साइड में मंदिर था, एंड वाइट कलर का बिग हाउस था. जहां वो हम कार से गए, वहां तक हम पैदल नहीं जा सकते थे, बहुत सारे बच्चे साथ में कंप्लीटली. एंड जब हमने उसको ओपन किया तो फैदर्स थे, वाइट फैदर्स थे अंदर कंप्लीटली. और जैसे ही वो बच्चे गए तो लाइट अप हो गया, एकदम जगमगा गया वो पूरा हाउस. इट्स अमेजिंग. और इतनी
Very good.
प्यारी फीलिंग आ रही थी, मैंने उन सबको हग किया। एंड ऊपर जब मैं अपने बेडरूम में गई तो वहां से फोटोग्राफर्स क्लिक कर रहे थे फोटोज हम सबके। बाहर बहुत सारे फोटोग्राफर्स थे, मीडिया था बहुत सारा। देन उसके बाद मैंने अपने आप को एक डिफरेंट ड्रेस में देखा पूजा करते हुए।
Very
यही
good.
सब देखा क्या
How is your future?
सर?
You are
यही बच्चों
settled
का
kids.
मैंने
You are
देखे, मैंने
settled
बहुत
kids.
सारे
And
हॉस्पिटल्स
God
खोले हैं
touching
जो
your.
मैं खोलना चाहती हूँ। हॉस्पिटल्स देखे मैंने, स्कूल्स देखे मैंने, बप्पा हाउस जितने खोलना चाहती हूँ सब कुछ फुलफिल होते हुए देखा।
Fulfill ho.
यस
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
How is your grown-up kids? How many kids you have?
सर कुछ नहीं दिखा, बहुत सारे बच्चे थे छोटे छोटे। इट्स अमेजिंग। और कार नंबर भी मैंने देखा 768 से था। बहुत सारी कार थी, ब्लू थी, व्हाइट थी, रेड थी। इट्स अमेजिंग फुल। मतलब आपको चूज करना पड़ेगा कि आपको किस कार में जाना है।
How is the experience with God? God से कैसे experience
सर आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही मुझे।
God
Yeah.
God से कैसे experience? How was your experience with
सर
God?
सर जब हम
Wonderful.
बच्चों को लेकर मैं गार्डन में थी तो एकदम ऊपर से अमेजिंग लाइट फील हुई। और इट्स स्टार्स और फेदर्स से कवर हो गए हम लोग। कम से कम 60-70
Very
बच्चे
nice.
होंगे,
Very
इतने
nice.
सारे
कैसे
बच्चे।
feel? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? Good.
It's amazing.
Yes, Fatima. Claps to Renu and Fatima. Describe ma. In short. कैसे लगा आपको?
इन शॉर्ट में मेरा
पूनम
जो
जैन. Yes, describe.
पूनम जैन को बोली सर, पिछली बार भी वो बोल नहीं पाई थी। पूनम
Okay. फातिमा शेख. कैसे लगा आपको? फ्यूचर बताइए.
Should I speak or
Fast,
Fatima
fast.
is speaking?
हाँ पूनम आप बोलो।
Yeah. See, मुझे लगा जब हम लोग ब्रिज पे चल रहे थे तो I don't want to leave that place.
Fatima, describe.
Fatima, go ahead. Actually, sir wants to you to speak.
फातिमा
हाँ सर।
Describe. How was your feeling with God? How is your future?
My feeling with God was amazing because वो पूरा गोल्डन ही था।
किसको देखा?
पूरा गोल्डन था वो।
किसको देखा?
साई बाबा।
हाँ, okay, right. हाँ, Sai Baba. Very good. How is Sai Baba? Real or like an idol? Vigrah?
No, real one.
Very real. Oh, wonderful. Yes. How was your feeling when he touched your head and the top of the head, forehead? Flow of
लग रहा
energy.
था कि
कैसे थे?
मैं मेरे पापा के साथ हूँ। एक बाबा की जो फीलिंग होती वो पूरी थी and was amazing and I was surrounded with full bright indigo light, total indigo light. And then that moment मुझे ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा था कि मैं उनको छोड़कर वापस आऊँ और ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं उनके साथ वहीं रह जाऊँ। मैं मतलब बोल रही थी कि आप मुझे अपने साथ ही ले चलो, यहाँ वापस नहीं आना है। और बच्चों में मैंने मेरे
How are your children got settled?
मेरे बड़े वाले का ही मैंने सेटलमेंट देखा, छोटा लड़का नहीं दिखा मुझे। पर हमारा बहुत बड़ा घर है और मैंने हर एक चीज को फील किया। गाड़ी भी हमारी बहुत बड़ी थी, MH2002 ऐसा नंबर आया था। हेलो सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। हेलो।
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं है सर। इट्स नॉट
Yeah. Okay, Rohini. It's the time to leave.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. हाँ जी. And thank you,
Poonam,
Sudha
your
ma'am.
final word.
Final word, experience was good actually, sir. One question I have, which
कैसे लगा आपको experience?
Experience was very good actually. Meeting with the God was like some, I don't idolize anyone, but I see some energy was there which is like hugging me and giving blessing. No particular idol was there, but that was a feeling was great. Only one query
How
which
is
I
your
have.
future?
I didn't. Future, I saw. I was like in some Western country somewhere, actually dressed there that way only. But then when you asked us to go to some home, right? I don't want to get into that house. It was a big one, but I want to roam around in the car and all. That's what I was seeing. So
Wonderful, wonderful. Total
I don't know.
experience good now?
Yeah, very nice, very good actually. Thank you so much.
Excellent. So claps to Rohini for conducting this program today. And Sudha Jain ji, final words, final message from you. So claps to Sudha Jain. She is inviting all of you to her next session on beauty and fashion through spirituality.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
Very unique subject. How many of you want to become more beautiful, more fashionable?
sure, sure.
All.
Amazing experience. Amazing.
So that your spouse will stick on to you only. No deviation, no distractions. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. And Sudha, you can speak your message
I think the voice is not very
for all the
clear.
ladies here, because she is an embodiment of woman empowerment. She does so many programs, especially for the orphans and many programs she does, and more fashion. Okay, final two words from you.
The first thing which I want to say that that glow, that fashion, 100% connected with your spirituality, because the way you think, the way your thoughts move in your heart and your brain, that kind of reflection 100% comes on your face actually. Your skin and your hair, there is a two things in your body which totally depend upon your thoughts. If you're feeling jealous of somebody, definitely your skin react on that. And if you're feeling very a kind of hatred thing or nafrat kind of thing, definitely your hair shows this thing. So these two things, this is personally I experience actually, because my grandma and my mom is always into kind of Ayurveda and handmade items. You won't believe, at the age of I think around 19, I can't take a allopathy medicine. If somebody gave me allopathy medicine, is like two bottles of water bottle. I used to, like, medicine is here and I'm just drinking water. कभी मेडिसिन इधर भाग जाती थी, कभी मेडिसिन उधर भाग जाती थी. मुझे खानी नहीं आती थी मेडिसिन, क्योंकि हमेशा से ही घरेलू चीजों के साथ में रहने की मुझे आदत रही है. So two things is very this thing ki the word J is a kind of a jealous. Just remove from your dictionary and you feel very happy, very energetic, and you meet people and just you pull a beautiful energy from them and lots of love from the surrounding. Everything was so wonderful in your life if the word jealousy is not in your life and not in your dictionary actually. So this is my point of view.
Wonderful. Thank you. And on Thursday, Sudha Jain ji is starting her program. So with round of applause, Rohini, bye.
Yes.
See you. And all of you practice
Bye,
4 times short breath, 5th long breath, 21
Yes, sir.
long breathings, and
Bye
simple
Rohini ji,
observation.
bye Fatima
Yes,
ji,
sir.
bye Renu
Thank
ji,
you, thank you,
Bye.
thank
so
you,
much.
everyone.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you so
See you.
much.
bye
Yes,
Narendra ji,
sir.
bye
And
Poonam ji.
tomorrow with
Bye-bye.
Mahatar Babaji, Mumbai Madam is conducting morning 6 o'clock to 8:30. How to
8:30.
meet the Babaji and how to take the energies from the Babaji. We'll meet there. Thank you very much.
Sure.
Bye. See you.
Thank
Bye
you, sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Sandhya ji.
Bye.